I guess it is. I think that's what he told me anyway. 6th order. Pretty much everybody's here. Everything from nice vehicles to daily drivers. There's windy today too. That's a unique way to install your speakers and amps. Whatever works. There's a little bit of everything here. We are in the Midwest, so people pimp out trucks and stuff. The stereos. Some big DCs in there. Good old sundown amp. Kickers. Panels. It's a little open house for dead-end car audio. There's a little bit of everything here, so. Alright, that's set up. Raffling off a speaker and an amplifier over here. Maybe an amp kit too. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Then we got Keenan, the owner of the shop right here. Say
hey,
hello.
how's it going?
All right. Put this up on YouTube, get a little exposure.
Yeah.
So, hot day, but we're having fun.